Today's class is about the equation of tangent and normal. Suppose y equal to f of x is your curve. Tangent is the straight line which touch the curve only at one point P. Let this point P be x1, y1, and we can say that this is a point of contact. This is your tangent. Now to find the equation of a line, if the line passes through the point x1, y1 and having slope m, the equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This you will be using to find the equation of the tangent as well as the normal, because they are the straight lines only. Now, to write the equation of the tangent, the given point on the tangent is taken as the point of contact in all of the maximum cases, and what else we required is the slope of the tangent. And how to get the slope of the tangent from the equation of the curve is slope m of the tangent. It is slope of the tangent at Px1 y1 can be found from the equation of the curve dy by dx at Px1 y1. This dy by dx we are taking from the curve, the equation of the curve. Therefore, equation of the normal is, equation of the tangent is, this equation only will use. What is the difference is, in place of m, you will find out m from the equation of the curve and substitute. So that means y minus y1 equal to, instead of m we will have dy by dx at the point P into x minus x1. So this is the equation of the tangent at x1, y1 or at the point P. Now how to find the equation of the normal? Normal is nothing but a line which is perpendicular to the tangent. That is, this angle is 90 degree. And we have already learned that if two lines are perpendicular, that is, if they are at 90 degrees, then the product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, or in other words you can say m2 is minus 1 by m1. So this we will be using to find the slope of the normal. So slope of normal is equal to slope of the normal at P is equal to minus 1 by slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent at P. So that means it is minus 1 by dy by dx at P. Therefore, equation of normal is, equation of normal is, this point is x1 y1 and slope we know it is minus 1 by dy by dx. So equation is y minus y1 equal to, in place of slope we have minus 1 by dy by dx at P into x minus x1. So this is the equation of the normal. Now we can go to the questions. The first question is, the normal to the curve x square equal to 4y passing through 1, 2 is. See, sometimes you see whenever you are given the MCQ, you can omit some of the options. See, this one is the normal to the curve passing through 1, 2. It is not normal at the point. At the point means this will be the point. So 1, 2 is a point here, and you can again check that whether 1, 2 is a point on the curve or not. How do we check? In the equation of the curve, x square equal to 4y, you substitute and see whether 1, 2 belongs to the curve or not. So when x equal to 1, you will get left hand side is 1. When y equal to 2, you will get right hand side 8. So that means 1 equal to 8 is not correct. So 1, 2 does not satisfy the equation of the curve. So 1, 2 is outside the curve. So equation of the normal passing through 1, 2. Now out of the 4 equations, you see which equation is not passing through 1, 2, you can screen out. So this one, x plus y equal to 3. So this, if the normal is passing through 1, 2, that equation should satisfy. 1, 2 should satisfy the equation. So 1 and 2 if you put here, x equal to 1, y equal to 2, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, you are getting it. But here you see x equal to 1, y equal to 2, this is not true. Then x equal to 1, y equal to 2, that is 1 minus 2 equal to 1, that is not true. Then x plus y equal to 1, that is also not true. So the only option is this. Without doing the question, you can just select that this is option. Okay, the next question. The equation of the tangent to the curve y into 1 plus x square equal to 2 minus x, where it cut x-axis is. Means you have to find out what? You have to find out the equation of the tangent. First of all, you have to know what is to find out. Equation of the tangent. Now, what is the condition given? Equation of the tangent to the curve. A curve is given. So we can draw the curve just for a rough figure. The curve is given. Equation of the tangent to the curve where it cut x-axis. It means what this it stands for. The curve cut x-axis. Where it cut x-axis means where the curve cut x-axis. That means the curve is cutting x-axis at some point. Okay. So here is your x-axis. There is a point of intersection of the curve and x-axis. So at this point, the equation of the tangent to the curve where it cut x-axis is. That means at this point, what is the equation of the tangent? So we can draw the tangent here. This is your tangent at this point. You have to find the equation of this tangent t. And what is this point? Point of contact you have to know to write the equation of the tangent, and also we should know what is the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent you can easily find out from the equation of the curve, but before that you should know what is this point P is. So let this point be P. First of all, you have to find out this point P. How to find out the point P? See the curve and x-axis. This is a point of intersection of curve and x-axis. So any point on x-axis will have its y coordinate 0. So let this point be a comma 0. So a comma 0 is nothing but the point of intersection of the curve and x-axis, or also you can say y equal to 0 is the equation of the x-axis. So solving the two equations, you will get the point of contact P. So what is equation of x-axis? X-axis का equation है y equal to 0. What is the equation of the curve? It is y into 1 plus x square equal to 2 minus x. Now how to get the point of intersection? To get point of intersection of two curves, you have to solve the two equations. So solving the two equation means substitution method you can apply. Y equal to 0 if I put here, what I get? 0 equal to, because 0, y equal to 0 means the left hand side the whole things become 0. So 0 is equal to 2 minus x. So therefore we can say that x equal to 2. So the x coordinate of the point of intersection is 2. So that means y coordinate is automatically 2, 0. Now next, to write the equation of this tangent, we need slope of the tangent. How to find the slope of the tangent? From the equation of the curve. So m equal to actually dy by dx at the point P. Okay. So to get m from the curve, you have to differentiate this curve with respect to x. Curve is this. Differentiating with respect to x, here you have to apply product rule. So y into first function into derivative of the second. Derivative of 1 is 0 and plus derivative of x square, that is 2x, plus second function into derivative of y. You can write it as dy by dx is equal to differentiating right hand side with respect to x. Derivative of 2 is 0. Derivative of minus x is minus 1. So what you get is, you have to find out dy by dx from here. So I am transferring this term to the right side. So we will get 1 plus x square into dy by dx is equal to minus 1 minus 2xy. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus 1 minus 2xy divided by 1 plus x square. And now we have to find out dy by dx at p. At p means it is at 2, 0. That means this also at 2, 0 you have to find out. 2, 0 means the point having x coordinate 2 and y coordinate 0. So how to get it? You put x equal to 0, y equal to 2. So what you will get is minus 1. This becomes 0 because x equal to 0 divided by, y equal to 0 divided by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square means 1 plus 2 square. It is 4 plus 1. That is minus 1 by 5 is the slope of the tangent. Therefore, equation of tangent is y minus, this is your x1 y1. Okay. This is your x1 y1. So y minus y1, that means y minus 0 is equal to slope of the tangent minus 1 by 5 into x minus 2. So when you cross multiply, you will get 5y equal to minus x plus 2. So you can select from this x plus 5y equal to 2. So x plus 5y equal to 2, that is the answer. The next one is, for what value of m is the line y equal to mx plus c, mx plus 1, a tangent to the curve y square equal to 4x. Four options are given. You are having this equation of the curve as y square equal to 4x. And for what value of m, you have to find out this value of m. Is the line y equal to mx is a tangent. So this tangent is there, and the equation of the tangent is the line y equal to mx plus 1 is a tangent. So how will you find out that? What is the connection between the tangent and the curve? It is connected through the slope of the tangent and the derivative of the curve found out from the equation of the curve. So m equal to actually dy by dx. M is the slope of the tangent. It's already given here. It is m equal to dy by dx. Dy by dx is from the curve. If you differentiate y square equal to 4x, you get 2y equal to 4. 2y into y dash equal to 4, or y dash equal to 4 by 2y, or it is 2 by y. So this is your y dash. If this point is, how can you take a point here is, this is your x comma y, and y is 2 root x. So y dash is 2 by y and m equal to 2 by y. So you have to find out the point of contact.